Imagine trying to chase a floating tool in space while it's drifting away from you in zero gravity. You've got to be quick, controlled, and ready to change direction fast, just like an astronaut. I'm ESA astronaut John McFall, and today we're training like astronauts by building our agility. Now that's our ability to move fast and switch directions in a flash. You'll need some cones or anything you can safely zigzag around, like water bottles. Tape is also an idea to mark out your turns. Now, here's a suggested course layout, or create your own with a few good direction changes. Now, when I say go, run the course as fast as you can without knocking anything over. Ready? Go! Have someone time you, then rest for 1 minute. Try this at least 3 times and see if you can beat your best time. Now, let's pretend we're astronauts chasing a floating tool through the International Space Station. Quick turns and direction changes help us grab it before it floats away. Want an additional challenge? Add more turns, crawl under a chair, or hop over a pillow. Need to slow it down? Just walk the course at first, and then build up speed each time. Astronauts need to be quick and in control, even in zero gravity. Agility helps us move safely, whether we're catching tools or navigating tricky spots in the spacecraft. Now, super great job, space explorers. You've got this. See you at the finish line.